Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 10 keyboard shortcuts on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, be able to use these keyboard shortcuts to perform all the key tasks you require to get the job done. So number one, Command-C can be used to copy anything we require, so we are able to select the item to the clipboard. If we copy, it is remembered in memory on the Mac computer. So within the desktop, we have a couple of files, screenshots, folders. Let's just copy the text file on screen, highlight Command-C to copy. And now what we can do is move on to the second command, which is Command V. When I say command, I mean the keyboard shortcut. This will allow us to paste the contents of the clipboard into the current document or application, or as per this command itself, onto the desktop. So Command V to paste, and there you go. What we can also do is go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for Word, click on enter. Let's just wait for a brand new document. Click on blank document. Let's just type something. Computer science videos. Let's just highlight Command-C to copy, Command V to paste, and there you go. And so now we can minimize Word for the moment. We will come back to the document itself. So keyboard shortcut number 3, which is Command A to select all the items we require on the desktop. Command A, and everything is selected. We can go all the way down to the dock, go back to that document that we opened up. Command A, everything will be highlighted. Command C, Command V, and there you go. Select, copy, paste. Let's now move on to the fourth Mac keyboard shortcut, Command S to save. Let's save to the desktop, and there you go. So we can now quit Word if we require to. Open up the document on screen again. Let's now minimize Word for the moment. Let's now move on to the next Mac keyboard shortcut, which is open up a new tab. Let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder. Command T to open up a brand new tab. And there you go. Now we have two tabs. We can work on multiple items at the same time within different tabs. I can open up my YouTube channel within one tab. The other tab, I can maybe open up music if I want to. So let's now move on to keyboard shortcut number 6, which is to close the front window. How do we do that? Command W. One tab gone, the other tab gone also. Let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the document that we were working on, which is already saved. So Command W will close everything on screen. As you can still see, we have Word opened up, not all force quitted or not completely gone. We can do that by going to the navigation menu, quit Word, and that has been closed. Let's go to the computer science videos document again, and now we can move on to keyboard shortcut number 7, which is quit the application itself. To do that is Command and Q. The application, document, or whatever you were working on has now officially quit. Let's now move on to the next keyboard shortcut number 8, duplicating the selected file. So as you know, in this tutorial we have created a document. We also have duplicated a document. Let's just click on computer science videos .docx, and use the keyboard shortcut to duplicate the selected file using Command D, and that itself has copied itself. Let's move on to the next Command Mac keyboard shortcut to create a new folder. How do we do that? Shift Command and N. Shift Command N instantaneously creates a new folder on screen. Let's just rename this to a new folder. Let's now move the document and the duplicate document to the folder itself, as well as the text files on screen. And now Command number 10, the keyboard shortcut, Command I, which will give us the information on screen for the selected file. Let's just highlight. Command I will give us the information. We know that this folder is called a new folder, size 27 kilobytes. It tells us where it's located, when it was created, the date it was modified. And so we can now quit, get information. And so, just to summarize, the 10 Mac keyboard shortcuts: Command C to copy, Command V to paste, Command A to select all items, Command S to save, Command T to open up a new tab, Command W to close the front window, Command Q to quit the application, Command D to duplicate the selected item, Shift Command N to create a new folder, Command I to get the information. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.